Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So if you want to see how I got this look and all the YouTube drama that is going on in the place, just keep watching. Thought I'd do a bit of a chatty get ready with me today because one, it is 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm bored as hell, and I just thought I'd put some makeup on and just talk. There's a lot of YouTube drama going on, there's a lot that's happened in my life and everything like that, so I thought I'd update you all. I'm going to start with my eyes as I always do. I have my little benefit mirror here and my lights are going to reflect everything, so I'm not going to show you that. I'm just going to start with the Urban Decay primer potion and shove that all over my eyes. So YouTube drama, we've had a lot of drama between Callum Markey and It's Snow, or whatever the frick his name is. This is the kid that's lying about his age, or allegedly lying about his age. There's a lot going on with that, and Markey, I actually have met Markey and everything, and he's a lovely lad, and basically I believe him over Snow because he's got all this evidence, and that boy does not put out a video unless he's got like loads and loads of evidence and like actually knows what's going on. I am just putting that girl brightening face primer all over my face as well, because otherwise I will forget to prime my face and I'd rather not. So I believe Callum in that situation, and it was like a big win for the UK side of YouTube and the smaller YouTubers in the world, because channel compared to some of the YouTubers that Drama Alert normally post on. So I was like really proud of him, and it was like lovely. I've also had all the drama between so we've just had the Life of Jake Paul come out, the Mind of Jake Paul come out, and I love Shane Dawson. I've been watching Shane Dawson for years and everything, so I absolutely adore him. My opinion on Jake Paul has not changed. I still do not like him, don't like his content, don't like his brother, nothing like that, everything like that. I do think they overuse the word sociopath, because like, oh my god, you're sitting there going, I don't do this, maybe I'm a sociopath. But then like it was very like not thought out, and it was 8 parts, and I preferred the Jeffree Star one because it's very on trend and everything, and I just feel like it was too long and everything, and sometimes that's the problem with like documentary series, they're too long. Life update, I am still watching way too many series in my life. I've been watching a lot more TV again and everything like that. I just used the Bang Beauty Brow Cream in Milk Chocolate on my eyebrows, and I'm now going to go in with the Eyelaw X Fleur de Force eyebrow pencil. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know this is my favourite. I've been watching a lot of TV again, and this is weird for me because I only really bang out series, and I always will. One of my favourites that I've just watched, or I'm still watching because it's still being updated, is The Good Doctor. And The Good Doctor is basically, he has autism and he wants to be a surgeon. And my cousin Brandon has Asperger's, and my second cousin Archie is autistic as well. And it's such a good TV show because they touch on so many like big subjects. And when I say big subjects, I mean like they don't shy away from subjects. So in this first series, because we're now on series 2, they had a trans girl who was under the age of 18 and wanted the surgery, and it was so like mind-blowing how much goes into it and everything, and how much goes into the thought of everything. And where the main character's got autism, he didn't really understand it because he only thinks like biologically and goes, but you're a little boy. And it's like, that's how some people actually still think. And it was like he was learning while watching the episode to use the right terms and call her a little girl, and it was so good. Like, and they just had a episode on female genital mutilation, and that was brilliant. Like, young girl was like strapped down when she was a lot younger, when she was like 2 or something, and didn't even get the choice. Like, and that's the problem with our world. Like, genital mutilation happens, and it happens when they're babies, and they do not get the choice, and it is heartbreaking. I am going to go in with my brand new Thirsty palette, which Aston keeps wanting to steal. I just got blue on my fingers. So I am going to go in with a crease brush. I have loads of crease brushes. I live with crease brushes. You also notice that most of my brushes are dirty. I need to wash them. I keep forgetting. I'm brilliant. I've been at work a lot. So I am going to go into the colour Kumquat, which is this shade here, and put this all over my crease. So if you get a chance to, I'd say watch The Good Doctor, because it is brilliant. I'm also watching the new series of Riverdale. I will always watch Riverdale. Like, if you know me at all, you know I've watched all of Riverdale. I've watched it since the first series. It's my sort of show, like that sort of slightly spooky, slightly bit more outrageous teenage drama. I've also been reading again, and I adore reading, if you did not know, and I'm going to be using it on Wednesday for Halloween, because I am going as a dead cheerleader. I'm going into work as a dead cheerleader. Talking about work, I, in like 3 weeks, will no longer be working for Asda. If you did not know already, I work for Asda. I am a HR assistant at Asda, customer assistant. Well done, Alex. I'm now going into colour Drizzle on a petite crease brush and putting this in the outer corner. So I'm like going very warm, and I love this sort of look on me because it just makes my eyes look a lot greener. So I've been looking for other jobs since I graduated. If you didn't know, I have now graduated uni. This is what I look like on my graduation day. I absolutely adored graduating, and it was an unreal experience, and it's probably one of the biggest days of my life. I am then going into the colour that I adore the name of. I'm going into Lick. These are very, very soft shadows. Like, they're intense, but they're very soft, so I have to be very, very careful. Yeah, my dad made the joke of, if you get married, no one in my family has any hope in me. I'm just like, yeah, you've got more chance of someone else getting married before me. I was like, at this rate, you've got more chance of Poppy getting married before me, reminding you my little sister is 10. But yeah, I graduated, and I've been looking for other jobs just because I wanted full time, because I've been working at Asda since I started uni, and it's been my part-time job, or basically I lived there most of the time when I weren't at uni. Trust me, the amount of times I'd gone in off, I'm going in with my finger, it'd be easier, after I'd finished uni and like gone in to help and gone in to do overtime. I basically lived there. I basically live there now, but don't get me wrong, it's not because it's a bad company and everything. I absolutely adore it there, but I need a new challenge and some new life skills and everything. I am then going in with a tiny little brush and the colour Filthy Rich. I wish I was Filthy Rich. And then putting it in my inner corner. I always start with my eyes because I use glittery tones all the time, and it's a pain in the ass if you do your foundation and then get glitter everywhere. But yeah, I'm starting a new chapter of my life, which will be fun and it'll be new. Actually, we're going to start with my concealer because my skin has decided to break out like a bitch. Basically, I had milk in something that I didn't know, and I broke out. And it's about that time of the month, so I break out like no one's business. One eyebrow is better than the other. I am going to vegan nights this week and I get to see Aston, and I'm going with Alini and Chloe, I believe. I know Alini's coming. I don't know if Chloe's bought a ticket yet because she's a pain in the butt. But yeah, I'm going with them, and that will all be vlogged because hi, I'm Alex. I vlog everything. Beauty blender thing. No matter what sponge it is, it's a beauty blender to me. This is supposed to be, if I can find the packaging's just here, look, half my face is gone. It's the Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge, but I'm using it as an actual beauty blender. I don't know if I like the primer underneath because it's supposed to be like illuminating, and I'm actually quite oily, but we're going to try it. I'm using the Kat Von D, bit of controversy, I'm using Kat Von D foundation with Jeffree Star eyeshadow. But I love this foundation. Yeah, I was like, what am I going to say? But yeah, I love that foundation. Talking about beauty gurus and the controversy that follows them, has anyone else noticed that the beauty community is like dying? Like actually just dying. I'm just like, okay, bye. I watch a lot of male predominantly videos, like male orientated videos, so I didn't realise till I started watching Jeffree and Tati again that the beauty community is dying again. And so the beauty community goes in and out of dying and stuff, and I'm kind of used to it. Everyone's kind of used to it now, but it's a bit odd that it's like properly dying now. This primer is balling up, so do not recommend. Probably go in the bin after this, if it does this, because literally I'm going upstairs to cook pizza after this, and then that's the end of my day. Brilliant. I'm doing a full face of makeup for nothing. Me getting a new job means that I can do some more vlogs, I can find some more things to do. I'm thinking about buying a new vlogging camera, and that vlogging camera will be a G7X, and basically I will be vlogging around more. I might do like weekend vlogs because I will be able to do more. It's bad that I know where all this goes now. I've been doing this for so long, like the same sort of look, apart from like it always changes like what products I'm using. This is Hoola Light because, as you can tell, I'm very fair. And now I've got brown hair, it means I can stamp it into my hair and it doesn't look as bad as it did when I was blonde. I love the blonde though. I will be going back to the blonde at one point. Don't get used to it. Don't get used to the brown because it will come back. But basically, as I was saying, I'm going to try and do some more vlogs and some more like videos with everyone else. It means that I can now go up to people on a Saturday and Sunday, and it's not as bad. I'm using California on my cheeks. It smells so good. I can't believe how fast I actually do makeup now. So yeah, back to drama and everything else that goes on in my life. It's nearly Christmas, so I'm filming this 2 days before Halloween, and then I will be getting ready for Christmas, and I might take you Christmas shopping with me. This is probably the most like hardest bit for me to do on camera because I get very stressy about it. Ta-da! Done one eye. Look how like different. Focus on me. Let's bring you in. Let's bring you in. Let's bring you into my face. Hello, welcome to my face. Like, look how different my eyes look if I've got eyeliner on, if I don't. It's so odd. Yeah, I will bring you Christmas shopping with me and we will have fun with that because I have quite a bit of Christmas shopping to do. I have a few people to buy for this Christmas. With my blogger girls, we are doing a Secret Santa. I will probably vlog that as well. I won't vlog anything like work-wise, and if I will be going to the Christmas party, because I may not work there, but they are my family and all my friends still work there and everything, and yeah, it's a lot of effort. But I might do some more like get ready with me videos, especially for Christmas, because that's when the glitter comes out. Those will be longer videos because they will be like very chatty get ready with me's, and we will update you, and I will try and decorate the backdrop. It's normally that little corner over there that gets decorated for Christmassy. I'm currently burning a sugar cinnamon apple candle from Yankee Candle, and it is unreal. My bedroom smells like cake. What do you mean it? I'm using the Benefit their real mascara. I do not like the other one. I don't like Bad Girl Bang. I can't remember what it's called. My top two are Benefit the Real or Better Than Sex, and sometimes I mix them. I would mix them, but Better Than Sex is, I don't know where it is. I think I'm on a new tube, so I put it somewhere. I try not to use mascaras all the time, like continuously, so that I always have one. But yeah. Love Life's basically the same. Nothing's really changed there. Surprise, surprise. I am using the Morphe R13 with Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Spark. If anyone knows me the best, this is my favourite part of my makeup. I overput. Ah, you absolute idiot, Alex. I've just put a mark in it. Brilliant. We pat through that. These are high impact, and I think they're only like £8, £12 for a highlighter, so that's good. I love single highlighters because I'm so extra that I double up on highlighters. That's about right for me. I'm going back to my thirsty palette because I forgot to put stuff under my eyes. So I'm going in with the Morphe M431 brush. After this, I'm going to go play with PVA glue and tissue paper, or toilet paper, because I need to figure out how to do some scars. I'm doing special effects for Halloween, but I'm doing it in a way that most people don't. One of these colours is called Subtle. I love that. It's like the most basic brown though, so you knew where Jeffrey was going with that. I love this palette because you've got bright pinks and things like that. I used it the other day. I used the bright pinks the other day. So to end this look, because it is very, very warm and I don't use colours that match, so I've got like very gold eyes because of my actual eye colour, and I'm going back into that gold that we used earlier just because I don't think it's as high impact as it could be on my eyes. No, and there it is. There's the, I think with this sort of colour I might use a glitter fixer just to keep it down, or like mix it in with something. That's really high impact. I haven't worn these shades in a while. I have two of, I love Jeffree Star liquid lip. Any of my mates will be able to tell you that. I've normally got these on, or the like one red I own. Or I don't own, I've stolen Eleni's, mine still with Olivia, is Santa Baby or Berries and Ice, and I think I'm going to wear Santa Baby. I love this colour. It's such a like un-me colour, but it's like that pop that you need, because my eyes are like, you can't actually see my eyes. Let me bring myself closer to you. My eyes are very like warm, and it's like this very popper colour, and it makes your teeth look unreal because it's so like blue toned. And this all black outfit, this, and then like a really, really subtle like glittery eye, unreal. This highlighter is impeccable. If there is any YouTube drama or controversy or anything like that I have missed, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.